YouTube, what's good? Mike on SRT, back with a brand new video, man. Today for y'all, I'm just chilling with the homie, man. I got a little mod I want to put on the car, so I'm gonna show y'all what we about to lock in and do. If y'all enjoy, don't forget to drop a like, comment, follow, subscribe. We're gonna lock in on this content real soon, man. Let's get into it. We got Mr. Only APJ in the building, man.
What's up, man?
So today, this is what we're working on. Just to show y'all Sidemarker lights. I got these back in December and we're in March and I have yet to put them on. So now we're gonna go ahead and do that. This is what they look like before. These are the old ones, showing the one in the back as well. But yeah, just a little mod, nothing too major. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy, and we'll get to it, show the before and after. All right, so we ran into a small complication, nothing too crazy, but this wheel is the rear, obviously. It cannot be turned like the front wheel. So with the front wheel, we had to turn it to the right so that we could get access to this quarter panel down here. But with the back wheel, that's not possible. So we're kind of a little bit bigger guys, so it's hard to just reach your hand in that gap to take off this side marker. So what we're gonna do is open up a jack, grab a jack, the neighbor's jack, and try to see if we can get this thing going. So I'll get back with you guys on that. One other thing I wanted to mention, I don't know if you all can see that. That's my homeboy's car, Only APJ on Instagram. He's got a little special project coming, but I just want to show y'all that's his car and this is my car. All right, chat, we got 2 out of 4. It took surprisingly a lot longer to get the back done, just less space. Even taking the tire off, it still was tough. So, but we finally got it. We got 2 out of 4, and we got 2 more to go, and that's it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, sneak peek, y'all. This is what we got.
Yeah, that's raw.
Oh man.
Oh yeah.
I feel like SpongeBob, bro. I need it. It's me, bro. Oh man, that looks good.
Oh yeah.
All right, you can go ahead. Thank you, my brother. I appreciate it, man. That was good work, man. It took us what? How long did it take? I wasn't keeping track of time. Hey, when you're having fun, you don't keep track of time. You feel me? But nah, man, this is a good work. Everything turned out good, and we got new side marker lights. Show y'all one more time. think I'm gonna wrap the video up. Don't forget to support the channel. Follow Only APJ on YouTube. I'll mention you down below. And don't forget to follow me, Mike on SRT. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.